Welcome to today's video on how to meditate. In this session, we will explore the practice of meditation, its techniques, benefits, and a step-by-step guide for beginners. Understanding meditation. Definition of meditation. Meditation is a practice of focused concentration that helps achieve a mentally clear, grounded, and relaxed state. It involves various techniques aimed at calming the mind and promoting mindfulness. Getting started with meditation. Creating a calm environment. Find a quiet and comfortable spot where you can sit without being disturbed. This could be a peaceful corner in your home or a serene outdoor setting. Body position. Sit in a comfortable position, either on a chair or on the floor, with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to settle into a rhythm. Begin by focusing on your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale, allowing your breath to fill your lungs and leave again. When your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Techniques and approaches to meditation. This approach involves focusing your attention on a single object, thought, sound, or visualization. It helps in clearing the mind of distractions and improving concentration. Mindfulness meditation involves bringing your attention to the present moment, observing your thoughts and sensations without judgment. It promotes a sense of calmness and clarity. Consider using guided meditation apps or instructional videos to receive additional guidance and support as you begin your meditation practice. Benefits of meditation. Meditation can help reduce stress, promote relaxation, and bring a sense of calmness and clarity to the mind. Improved focus and concentration. Regular meditation practice can enhance focus, concentration, and mental clarity, leading to improved cognitive function. Emotional well-being. Meditation can contribute to greater emotional resilience, improved self-awareness, and a more positive outlook on life. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the practice of meditation. Remember, meditation is a skill that can bring calmness, clarity, and mindfulness into your life, and we encourage you to explore this practice to reap its numerous benefits.